A shop from Natunbazar was razed to ashes on the last day of the Bengali year. As a result, two of the shops nearby were also affected by the fire broke out. This incident took place at Natunbazar police station area on Saturday afternoon. It was on the last day of the Bengali year. On Saturday, a fire broke out and razed a shop at Natunbazar police station area, which eventually affected two other shops. After the incident, the fire brigade personnel were informed at the scene, and immediately they arrived at the scene, but after all the efforts, they could not save the shops, and the goods inside the shops all burned to ashes. Owner of the shop gave details about the incident while interacting with the media.
আমরা তো আগে দেখছি প্রথম আগুনটা দেখতে গেছি এরপরে ধরো এটা আমার কিছু হাত করতে সবাই কোন নতুন হ্যাঁ নতুন এবার পয়সা মিলেছে আর দমন গেছে সবাই মিলে সবাই কাজ করতে করতে মাথা দিদা কি আমারও কিছু একটু এইটা দিদা দোকান একটা বাসা কিছু অনেক কষ্ট আমার কিছু বাঁচা গেছে অনুরোধ ধরো না লাখ টাকা আর এই
The affected shopkeepers and the people of the area were deeply saddened with the incident of the terrible fire on the last day of the Bengali year. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.